Good evening, America. We're out here today reporting live from outside. We just picked these up today with the Kilroy 9s. Sorry, the bugs be attacking me out here. But yeah, just picked these up today. We're about to do a review on them. Make sure y'all watch the whole video, watch the review, and let me know what y'all think about these. To me, these are, to me, these are trash. I could just go ahead and throw that in the dumpster right there. That's where they need to be. But we got to review it for y'all. So let's go. What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And not only am I back with another episode, we back with a very special episode. We have the What the Kilroy 9s. Alright, but before we get into the review, make sure y'all are watching the videos that we recently posted. If you haven't been keeping up on the channel, make sure y'all watching those videos. Still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. I'm gonna say that until we get 10K subscribers, okay? So make sure y'all keep sharing this video and y'all keep supporting. We definitely appreciate the support. All right, now let's get into the review. Like I said, this is a very special shoe. Once I open it, you will see why. This is the first time that we've had low 9s in a very long time. So let's get into it. So on the box it says black and challenge red. But once you see this shoe, the labeling on the box is an understatement. Also, don't like the box for the simple reason of how these shoes look. They come wrapped like this, and this is how they look. Very, very colorful, very much inspired by the Kilroy pack that dropped in 2012, which is also rumored to be dropping next year. So this is basically a collaboration of all those shoes that dropped in 2012. It was 6 pairs of shoes. They have that labeled here. It was the Johnny Kilroy, Fonte Montana, Calvin Bailey, Motorboat Jones, Slim Jenkins, and Wiley Ellis. Johnny Kilroy was a fictional character created around the Michael Jordan retirement era. So that character was created about Michael Jordan. Now let's get into these shoes. Like I said, they're very, very colorful. Each shoe is different. So we're gonna start with the right shoe. The right shoe, make sure y'all shoes is coming right, because I know some of y'all be getting got. So see, we got black on this shoe. We have this blue color. It's like a real deep, deep blue. We have yellow on the sock lining. We have orange here on the midsole. Got this dark blue Jumpman on the midsole. On the bottom, we have white. And then we have some writing here. And we also have another Jumpman. So if you see some writing right here on the side. Got the big Jumpman. It's like an off-white color. My favorite part of this shoe for sure is the eyelets. It's like this metallic, iridescent color. It kind of shows off as like this blue color, then it's like teal, and it's purple. I think that adds a nice touch to the shoe. Now we can go on to the heel. It has that same type of iridescent metallic look on this Jordan emblem here. Then we have a number 4 on the back. Now let's get to the tongue. Again, the names that I read out is on the shoe, so it's 3 each on each tongue. Then on the inside, it says Kilroy kicks butt. Also on the inside of the shoe, we take out the sole. Has a triple Jumpman. how they look. There's no lace swaps. Let me just check to make sure. Yep, no lace swaps on this shoe. Now we can go over the next one. So start here. Obviously, we have this red color instead of the black. And then where the dark blue was, we have this black. We got the red leather here instead of that black. And then we have this black here, black suede, instead of the dark blue. Also, if you look, just want to make this quick, the materials are different. So this one, as you can see, we got the suede on the black, and then the leather is the dark blue. And then on this shoe, the leather is the red, and then the suede is on the black. Then we have like a yellow color here, got the red Jumpman, black laces. These came with white, this one comes with black. Then on the bottom, the color is different on the bottom. Got the Jumpman on the bottom, that's the same. On the heel, we have the 23 and the number 4. No writing on the inside of this one, only on the right shoe. So the left shoe does not have any writing on the inside, but it does have the name tags on top on the tongue. The insole of this shoe is also different. So we have that dark blue and then the triple Jumpmans. The tongue is also different here. It's black here and then it's white here. Same eyelets on each shoe though. And also, this emblem is the same, Jumpman. And the numbers are different, so 23 and then 4. So yeah, a lot of details on this shoe. I really like the shoe solely because of how detailed it is and just like the play on like materials and colors. I would not personally wear this shoe. I feel like it's a lot going on. And I don't think I'm the biggest fan of low 9s or wearing mismatched shoes. Like I'm cool with it if it's a slight mismatch, like a slight change, like on some 1s. Dang, I thought you had them. I'm cool if it's like a slight change, but this is like all over the place. Like this could literally be 2 different shoes. I think it would be nice if like it wasn't mixed match and it was just like this is like a pair and then this is a pair. But like I said, they are coming out. It's rumored to be coming out. The Kilroy pack is rumored to be coming out next year. These did come out today, August 14th. We just was able to get the shoe, so we're putting out this review tonight. In the future, the wide release could change. There could be more shoes coming out like on sneakers or going to other stores or whatever, but I don't know just yet. That could change before this video comes out. These were $180 plus tax. Actually not mad at that price. I mean, you are kind of getting half a shoe, but yeah, these are the Kilroy 9s. Again, August 14th, men only, 180 plus tax. This pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.
When you beat the body in a studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my dab, hit a voicemail.